Hey ladies, I want to share my journey of burning belly fat and the powerful exercises that made all the difference. Here's how I turned my fitness around. I survived countless workouts that didn't quite hit the mark. I felt frustrated and tired of not seeing the results I wanted. I spent time researching and experimenting with various exercises. Through trial and error, I discovered that simple, targeted exercises like leg raises, plank variations, and bicycle crunches were far more effective than traditional methods. I saved time and effort by focusing on high-impact, high-efficiency exercises. I integrated movements that engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, such as mountain climbers and Russian twists, which made each workout more effective. I built a consistent daily routine. My plan included 20-minute sessions of these targeted exercises combined with a balanced diet. This routine not only helped me burn belly fat, but also improved my overall strength and stamina. I got incredible results. My belly fat decreased significantly, and I noticed a huge boost in my energy and confidence. I felt stronger and more empowered, ready to take on new challenges, feeling motivated. Try incorporating these exercises into your routine and see how they work for you. Stay consistent and track your progress to keep yourself motivated. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original makes fresh smoothies on the go with over 100 5-star reviews. Enjoy free shipping too. Check the link in the description to get yours now. Facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues? Strength Training for Seniors offers 45 easy exercises to boost your strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now. Link in description. Looking to boost your fitness? The fitness tracker helps you monitor calories, steps, and sleep effortlessly. It's waterproof and a game changer for reaching your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below.